Hey guys, I just thought I'd do a quick unboxing and show through today of this Yasuni Z for Yamaha 50cc two-stroke models such as the Aerox and the Jog. So I've just popped this box open. There's everything inside. Obviously the actual chamber here, some brackets for the silencer just over here, and the actual silencer itself in here. So while it's in here, I'll just show you something. So you'll see there that nasty little restrictor. So I'm going to go ahead and pop that one out. There's also one which I will show you on the inside of the silencer here, which I'm also going to pop out. So I'll pop this all out and get the die grinder out and start ripping into these restrictors, and then I'll show you them afterwards and the assembled pipe. Alright, so I've got the silencer here, so I'll just show you. Essentially that little washer inside there is a little piece we're going to remove. So obviously that little hole there, all the gas is forced to go through there instead of this larger opening. And once I pop it out and show you what's inside there, it gets even worse. So I'm going to get that one right out of there so we can get the full performance out of this exhaust. Alrighty, so this is the inside of the silencer here. I've just pulled this steel wool back. So you'll see over here, there's the actual silencer can, the silencer wall that's come out of it from the factory. So this little plate here is essentially what we're going to remove. So I'll show you a little bit more afterwards, but it is very, very restricting, and it's a real pain in the butt to get off. So I'm going to pop it off, and then I'll show you what it looks like after. I've just released that, and you'll see all the exhaust gas is forced into this tiny little hole here, and then forced out of these little slits on the other side here, which is obviously a massive restriction. So we'll get rid of that and get this pipe all back together and assembled. Fully assembled and ready to go, de-restricted. So quite a nice quality pipe, similar to a Technogas. You'll see one of the great features of this one, also similar to a Technogas, is that no metallic part of the pipe chamber itself bolts directly to a metallic part on the bike. So these really nice rubber bushes that sit in here, suspended between washers, definitely help alleviate some vibration. So coming up to the header here, you'll see it's got all this nice reinforcing up here, which is really quite nice, and a pretty large expansion chamber as well. But Yasuni exhausts are pretty well known for being really nice, high quality. One of the other features of this particular exhaust for the Yamaha is so that it fits across the Aerox and the Jog, it comes with two different mounting brackets. So I've just bolted this one on here for now. If the customer receives it and they find that they need a different mounting bracket, then they can just quite easily swap that over. So accordingly, two different sets of bolts, depending on the model of Yamaha, it's going to be fitted to. And you can see over here, we've already sort of discussed this one here, the restrictor out of the silencer. That's that one there, and the restrictor out of the header as well, which kind of crumbled apart when I pulled it apart. But these ones are quite a pain to get out actually, but makes a massive difference in performance. So definitely worth it. So this one's ready literally to pretty much bolt on for the customer and tune up, as with all our exhausts, as hassle-free as possible. So definitely a massive upgrade, an awesome performance increase on your stock exhaust on a Yamaha 50cc two-stroke model such as the Jog or the Aerox 50.